Okay, this is my main profile. As you can see on top left hand side corner, I have my name, and I have to create this profile before I start typing. Just go on easytypingjob.com and you enter your information, PayPal address because you want to get paid on PayPal, and all the other necessary information. Once you're done, it will take you to this page, and this is my dashboard right now, earning report. So I have entered 584 entries, and that actually gave me $17.51 USD. So in order for me to enter the new one, what I will do is I go to earn money, click on this, and it will appear this captcha. Whatever you see on the screen, you just have to type, as easy as this. And you can do wherever you are, while you're traveling, while you're watching TV, and you just enter successfully. After this, if you want to see the earning report again, let me show you. Click on this earning report. As you can see now is 1754. So each entry will give you 3 cents. So right now 54. Let me try another one. I will click on earn money. Takes me to this captcha page. Just enter whatever the captcha I see, and I will press enter or click on submit. See, I had a wrong entry over here, so this is the right one. Let me submit, and it will submit successfully. Now I will show you the report. So now you can see 57. It was 54 earlier. I will do one more time. Click on earn money, type captcha, whatever you see on the screen, and enter or submit. I will click submit over here. Once you submit, you'll see the successful sign, and you can look at your earning report. That's when you'll see the money growing. So you can do this one at any time at your convenience, and then you can earn a few bucks over the weekend while you're sitting.